The best wood carving kit for beginners in 2026 is the BeaverCraft S15, but that's only the right answer if you want a complete tool setup. 3 knives, leather strop, and a tutorial, all in one box. If you want to carve something specific on day one and finish it, one of the DIY project kits fits better. We put 6 kits through the same tests: sharpness out of the box, handle ergonomics, what's actually inside, and how much support you get as a complete beginner. Here's what we found. Before we get into each kit, here are the 4 things that actually matter when you're buying a beginner set. First, sharpness out of the box. A dull knife in your first kit is one of the fastest ways to quit the hobby. If you're forcing the cut instead of guiding it, it's the knife, not you. Second, handle ergonomics. Carving for 20 minutes with a thin, poorly shaped handle will tire your hand more than the carving itself. You won't notice this in the store, you'll notice it in use. Third, what else is in the box? Does it come with a strop, cut-resistant tape, a finishing supply? These aren't extras. For a beginner, they change the entire experience. Fourth, beginner support. A knife is just metal without some guidance on what to do with it. Every blade in this lineup is 1066 high carbon steel with a Scandi grind, hardened to 57 to 59 HRC. That's the same spec across all 6 kits. And it shows. Every knife came out of the box sharp enough to shave paper cleanly. The S15 and S12 have slightly tighter factory edges than the project kit knives, but all 6 are ready to carve on day one. No prep needed. One thing worth knowing, 1066 carbon steel responds well to a leather strop. It's easy to maintain and holds an edge longer than most beginner knife steels. 4 of the 6 kits come with a strop included: the S15, DIY01, and Hoppy Bunnies. The S12 and DIY03 and DIY09 don't, so if you buy those, a strop should be your first add-on purchase. All ash wood handles across the board. Ash is light, doesn't slip when your hands get dusty, and takes grip without any break-in period. The S15 and S12 handles are both 125mm, but the blade profiles are very different. The S12 C8 has an 8mm wide blade, the slimmest in the lineup, built for detail and precision work. The S15's C16 has a 50mm blade at 13mm wide. That's a roughing knife. It moves wood fast. The C1M in DIY01 is a small whittling knife, shorter blade, narrow tip, suited for the controlled cuts you make when refining a shape rather than building it. DIY09 is the only kit with 2 different knife sizes. The C4 Sloyd is the adult knife, longer blade, versatile for shaping and general carving. The C1 is the kid's knife, shorter and lighter. Both come with leather sheaths. For a parent and a kid working on separate blocks, having tools actually sized for each person makes a real difference. Let me show you what each kit actually contains. S15, starter carving knife set. 3 knives, C 6-chip carving, C15 detail, C16 roughing. Leather strop, polishing compound, canvas tool roll, tutorial booklet. The most complete tool setup in this lineup. 3 knives that cover every stage of carving, plus everything you need to keep them sharp and organized. S12, starter knife set. 3 knives, C2, C8, and C12. Different blade widths for general carving, slim detail work, and wider chip cuts. That's it. No strop, no storage, no tutorial. Built around the blades. If you already have a strop and know what blade profile you're looking for, this set is worth your attention. DIY01, C1M small whittling knife. A basswood block and a cherry block, 2 different woods in one kit. Carving pattern, leather strop, polishing compound, cut-resistant tape, 5 pieces of sandpaper in assorted grits, and beeswax for finishing. This is the most complete project kit for a single carving session. You go from raw blocks to finished, sanded, waxed object with everything included. The cherry block is harder than basswood. It's a built-in progression once you've worked through the first piece. DIY03, Wizard Carving Kit. C2 knife, 3 basswood blocks, carving pattern, pencil, cut-resistant tape, 3 pieces of P1500 sandpaper, booklet, video. 3 tries at the same figure. Your third wizard will look nothing like your first, and that progression is what keeps people coming back. Straightforward contents, focused on repetition and improvement. DIY09 Family Fun Kit. C4 Sloyd knife with leather sheath, C1 kids knife with leather sheath, 2 basswood blocks, 12 pieces of sandpaper in assorted grits, cut-resistant tape, 2 pencils, 2 brushes, paints, booklet, video. The most sandpaper of any kit here, 12 pieces across different grits. The paints and brushes mean you're finishing the project fully, not just carving it. Designed for 2 people working side by side. Hoppy Bunnies. C16 Big Roughing Knife, the same blade that's in the S15 toolkit. 2 basswood blocks, 2 carving patterns, leather strop, polishing compound, cut-resistant tape, sandpaper, carbon paper for transferring patterns, pencil, brush, paints, booklet, video. This is the most equipped project kit in the lineup. Professional roughing knife, maintenance tools, 2 complete projects, and everything needed to finish and paint the result. Here's how I'd actually choose. Starting from 0 and want a complete tool setup, get the S15, 3 knives for every stage of carving, a strop to maintain them, and a tool roll to store them, nothing missing. Already have a strop and want a precision-focused blade set? S12. 3 different blade profiles, the slimmest of which, the C8 at 8mm, isn't replicated anywhere else in this lineup. Want a complete single project kit with the most finishing supplies? DIY01. 2 wood types, a strop, beeswax, sandpaper in 5 grids. You go from raw material to a finished waxed object with 1 box. The cherry block is a bonus. Harder wood, different feel. Built-in second challenge. Want to run the same project multiple times and see yourself improve? DIY03. 3 identical basswood blocks, 1 wizard pattern. Your first attempt teaches you the cuts. Your third one shows you've learned them. Buying for a parent and a kid to carve together? DIY09. C4 Sloyd for the adult, C1 kid's knife for the child, both with leather sheaths. 12 pieces of sandpaper, paints, 2 brushes. You finish the mushrooms, paint them, and have something to put on a shelf. Want the most complete carving experience in a single box, Hoppy Bunnies. The C16 roughing knife is the same blade that comes in our tool-only S15 kit. Add to that 2 blocks, 2 patterns, a strop, carbon paper for accurate pattern transfer, paints. This is as close to a full carving workflow as a beginner kit gets. One thing I keep coming back to, the difference between a kit that frustrates a beginner and one that hooks them isn't the number of tools. It's whether the tools are sharp, whether there's something to maintain them, and whether there's a clear starting point. Every kit on this list gets those basics right. The question is just which use case fits you. Links to all 6 kits are in the description. Or go to BeaverCraftTools.com. The website has all of them in one place. Questions about which one fits your situation? Drop them in the comments.